423B. Come on, baby.
Easy task either.
Come on, 69. Come on.
Hey. Flipped it pretty firmly.
Let's watch some cricket, the best sport ever.
If the ball came off
There you
before
go.
being caught, then why aren't the two of them out?
It's a fun sport. Guys!
It's so fun. What is this?
What are you doing?
Okay, so you're probably looking at me like I'm crazy and stupid because I normally am. And
I always
You
look
tripped
like
down the stairs.
that too.
Wait a minute.
okay, I found this toy. It's a cat toy,
Oh.
but I've been like, my therapist said I need to find something that like soothes me and calms me down because I've been having some family issues. I'm just trying to calm down from it, and this has been helping me so much.
Alright, can you just
Dial it down.
speed this up? Because we're trying to enjoy.
We're watching the World Cricket Championships. The WCC World Cricket Championships. And that's much more important than you playing with the cat toy.
GRJ Matthews, bud.
GRJ, he's my hero.
That was the end of that, so let's get back to our...
Alright, let's get back to the cricket.
Dude, are they allowed to wear hats?
I don't know. This game is confusing!
Man.
Rugby. It's rugby.
Man, you know, like this rugby, it's the best stuff ever.
I like peanut butter sandwiches.
Alright, man, like, it's whatever.
You're my best friend.
Tell you what, Malik, you should watch this with us.
Should we in the group? What the flipping frick?
Okay. How?
Wow.
No.
This,
Just...
what kind of a man would do that? What are you doing? What? What are you doing? Stop! God. Okay, you know what? I don't need any of this. I'm a stress eater. You guys know this. You don't have to stress me out. Okay? Just
What is this?
alright, you know what? I'm getting really sick of this, okay?
Yeah, like... This is seriously not...
Hey! Hey!
Enough is enough.
Wake up!
Said, we gonna do anything about him?
Hope not. You wanna go to sleep?
Yeah, man. Good night, man.
Alright. Damn, man.
You wanna tell me what the hell that was?
That was a sock. You know what I'm saying?
You know, I'm having so much fun with you.
Sounds a little.
A massive welcome.
We gotta make it. All right. Well, the thing is, we gotta add another guy, and we got this guy, right? Hey, bud.
Is there light enough?
Just
light
play
to
it, play it.
Oh man, that's sketchy.
What? What? Can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Like the outline?
No, Kian, you're gone.
So like, if I'm like sitting here, like,
Yep. Perfect.
whoa.
But Kian,
What?
you gone. I'm right for you. In front of your fucking face. I can't see you. What'd you say, bitch, nigga? God damn.
How?
Wow.
No.
This,
Just.
what kind of a man would do that?
God damn.
We got a problem. Might help if we turn the power.
What the heck are you doing? What? What are you doing?
Oh, you're supposed to stop. You see me?
Yeah.
Hey, can I see me?
Yep.
Can you see me?
It's all good. Everything's good.
It's tilted.